next video. We've got 2 more days in Vietnam. We fly out late tomorrow night, so I've put it all together. The next 2 days, what we do, we have the bike for 4 more hours, so we're gonna go for a ride, maybe go to the market, sun cream on my face, and I'll just take you along for the next 2 days here in Vung Tau. Really enjoy it here. It's really nice. It's not too hard to ride. The rules are slightly different to Thailand, but it's okay. Alright, so we're going to go for a ride and maybe go to the market. Let's do that. Alright, we've gone for a bit of a drive. Took about 20 minutes. We've gone to the other side of the island, sort of closer to the port, and there's so many different things and religious stuff you can see, Buddhist and stuff. I think we'll try 2 on this side. So we'll come to a temple. I'll put the name of the temple on the screen. Let's check it out. Alright, so this one's more just a temple, a bit of a scenic view. Looks like they're still working on this. They're going to build a landscaped garden. Yeah, so this one's more for just the religious reasons. We just start here. I'm going to slowly work our way back to where we began, back to my hotel. There's so many historic stuff, you can't go to them all, so we'll go this one, and then we're going to go to maybe 2 others, go to the market and get breakfast. I'm hungry.
Heard you want to leave this place where we grew up. This old town, just put it all behind. Remember you and I would always find somewhere to hide when we were kids, so we could see and hear the water run. The river's gonna cry when you're gone. here, hanging on, waiting for your call. Seems like time as a wave passing by, leave a mark in our minds to turn to memories. River's gonna cry when you're gone, 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 gone. River's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.
Right, second one. Chua Ke San.
River's gonna cry when you're
I have no idea how to pronounce it, but it's
gone, gone. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're. River's gonna cry when you're gone. Hoping you would stay, but I've always known that you would go and find your own way. I still see when we climbed up in those trees, 12 years old, feel the wind and watch the river run, and the sun would always shine. When we sat there, you and I, the river's gonna cry when you're gone, gone.
again very relaxing, lovely view. Nice to check out. We will go see one more. I think at least one more. While we do that, last night we did go for a ride in sort of more downtown, I think so. And I finally got to eat my Vung Tau, my favorite food from the first time I came to Vietnam. We found it. Girlfriend loved it too. 30,000 Vietnamese dong per person. No menu, just she cooks the same thing for everyone. Same portion for everyone. So she saw 2 people, so she cooked enough for 2 people. So I'll show you a video of that, how I made it with the rice wrap. Delicious, I loved it. So I'll show you that, and then I'll see you at one more stop for the religions side. Then we'll do a lot more other stuff. Alright, we're gonna have my favorite food, Vung Tau. We got rice paper wraps. We're gonna get some greenery. Put it in there. Lettuce. Then we're gonna get a Vung Tau. Put it in. Make sure I get a shrimp. Look at that shrimp. Now we got a little mixture. We got chili, garlic, and this one. I'm not sure what that is. And we'll roll it up tight, tight. This. Got a bit of greenery out the side just for a bit of, and then not one bite. cafe on the water. It looks very European. Bunch of different cafes around here. My coffee is going to cost 30,000 dong. The girlfriend's getting a milk tea for same 30,000 dong. Got a view up to there. No more hiking for us. We're done. It's very hot. We've been in the sun for 2 hours and we're tired. But very nice view. Alright, now we got a cake. I think I saw them everywhere along that street. Very common. I'm not sure the history of the cake, but I think maybe we got a savoury one, but you can also get sweet. We'll have to taste it, see. We just picked the first one that was on the menu. Oh no, it's about 35,000 Vietnamese dong. And this is what it looks like. I think we've got some cake underneath, and we've got like chicken floss or pork floss maybe, and I'm not sure what any of it is. What's this one? Let's taste it. Oh, it tastes like jerky, beef jerky, meat jerky. And this one, so this is a savoury version. I saw like sweet versions as well. Alright, so we've got all of it. There's the cake, the beef jerky, the chicken floss maybe, and some cream and some sort of jelly. Interesting. The chicken floss is quite common here in Vietnam. In Thailand it's pork floss. I'm still getting used to that flavour, but overall pretty good. I'd like to try the sweet one, I think, next time. Alright, didn't film as much as I thought. This is the end of this video. Time in Vung Tau finished, and in Vietnam we're now at the airport. We got a free lounge experience through one of the booking sites, trip booking sites, and so we're just enjoying that. You got alcohol, you got soda, meat, rice, fruit, salads, very nice. Free Wi-Fi, charging our phones. It makes me want to have a lounge experience more often, but so it's a good way to end our trip. Hope you enjoyed the few Vietnam videos that did this series. I definitely want to come back to Vietnam. Wasn't long enough, but until then, I'll see you next time. Bye.